So our supervisor fits the cat stereotype of, if I fits, I sits.
But of all of her cat beds, they're all lacking one very important thing. We can't see her fluffs when she lays down.
She just turns into a void.
Enter this acrylic hemisphere.
That we hope we can turn into a cat bed. Okay.
Looking good so far.
Looking great.
This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for all your website needs.
So obviously, this beautiful acrylic dome doesn't make the entire cat bed, but we have a plan for that. We're gonna CNC out this futuristic shaped MDF top, and then we're gonna add clear legs.
And we realized that this kind of has a futuristic spacey vibe, so we thought, you know what we can do?
Resin.
We can put some galaxy resin on that. So that's the plan. Let's get started with the CNC.
Ta-da! It's a guitar pick for a massive guitar.
Is that how one plays guitar?
With a massive pick. So every time we go for one of these big resin pours where the resin flows over the edges, the most troublesome area is the edge. The resin color and pigment that we add just doesn't stick to the sides as much. So we're just gonna go ahead and paint the whole thing black to give it a nice base.
We will paint it black. Like the void herself. Also, we've done galaxy resin on MDF before, and we know that this works.
Yes. Are you ready? Oh, oops.
Yeah.
Oops.
I'm ready. Oh, remember last time we had way too much? I would say stop. I ask that you keep in mind that I am in a light colored shirt that I really like because it's from shopevanandkatelyn.com. I'm sorry.
Always be plugging.
Why is painting MDF so satisfying?
MDF really wants to be something more than MDF.
I don't blame it. Who wants to be MDF?
Hey.
I mean, you're beautiful as you are. This will be a big help though when it comes to resin time. And then should we say like a little closing thing to lead into the next?
I think it's just, it can go and then we'll do one sleep later.
Okay.
All right, do you guys know what time it is? Resin time.
We didn't rehearse. Resin time.
Resin time. So smooth, so smooth.
New shirt, shopevanandkatelyn.com. This is the second merch plug we've done in this video. I'm sorry, guys. We got this new pump. Look at this thing. This is for professional resiners.
So rapid.
It's doing both at the same time. Oh my God, we can resin twice as fast.
All right, guys, you will be shocked. Shocked. We leveled it.
We did.
We leveled it. Yay.
So for this galaxy, we're gonna try something different and do more of a high contrast galaxy, meaning we're doing it in 2 layers. First, a mixture of clear resin and just some subtle dark colors and glitter. And then the second layer, well, we'll show that to you guys when we get there.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna start distributing the clear layer while Katelyn starts mixing up colors.
I'm gonna try really hard to make it subtle.
Subtlety is not our strong suit.
No, it's not. Please be subtle. It's not subtle at all.
Let's spread it out and let's see if we can subtleize it at all. We might need to add more black.
Well, let me try this color. That's more subtle. I'm just gonna keep going.
I'll follow around with the zap zap. You know, I think that's pretty good. Wow.
We'll just let this cure.
Yeah, that's a great background. We'll see you guys in a little bit for the second layer.
Yeah. Okay, so are we gonna pretend like it hasn't been 2 days and I put back on the same shirt as last time?
Yes. So now that we have the first layer of resin done, and before we put on the top layer, we're actually gonna add some stars using some white paint.
And a toothbrush.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That might be good.
I like kind of the bigger ones. I actually think the tiny mist looks kind of bad.
Look like fuzzy or something. Should I wipe it off?
Yeah, let's wipe it off. I don't like it.
Okay.
Should we start over?
I think we'll just go boop.
Okay.
Boop. It was a little bit finer than I imagined in my head.
You're so fine, baby.
Okay, let's see if I can be thick. Let's try this again. Still has the fine also. What if I don't do the toothbrush and I try another method?
You got oh no.
That's everywhere.
It's on the camera. Oh, it's all over you.
See, look at the hands. Wouldn't that have been great? That's what I was going for. That level of thick? That's almost
too thick.
Can I try?
I'm trying to shield. Wait, I need to capture this. I need to film that. Oh, yes. So
We've done this before. Why is this so difficult?
I think I have an idea. Too much?
Too big.
But it was aimed, it was directed. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's good. I'm gonna try over here. That.
Oh yeah,
That's great.
That's great.
I love that.
That one's great.
There.
Yeah, those bigger stars.
Yeah, that looks great.
Took like 6 attempts.
Hey, each time it got better and we learned. All right, we'll wait for this to dry and then it's resin time again. I don't know why it's so satisfying.
Because it just like detaches so perfectly.
Yeah. Oof.
Wow.
If you need to like de-stress. Oh. So our very serious product website, feelyourbutt.com, has a serious issue. No, it's nothing technical, because it's run on Squarespace, the sponsor of today's video. We're out of product after the smashing success of water bottle full of pencils.
But luckily, we came up with a new product idea.
Hardened resin drool.
Fresh off the plastic. But luckily with Squarespace, it's really easy to add a new product because they have built-in e-commerce and allow for unlimited products.
Also, when we jokingly mentioned feelyourbutt.com in a video and realized people were actually going to head to that website, we were able to get both the domain and the hosting from squarespace.com.
And since then, we haven't had to worry about the website breaking or worry about reformatting it for mobile or worry about plugins because Squarespace takes care of all that stuff for you behind the scenes.
Supporting our sponsors really helps support us. So if you need a website, head over to squarespace.com/Evan and Katelyn for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Boop.
Okay, now it is time for the second layer, and we're gonna try a high contrast, multicolored galaxy burst thing kind of coming out of the center. And that's really all the plan we have. It's a very loose vision.
I'm gonna go ahead and do the full coat of clear also to start.
Yeah, because we don't want these colors we're adding to go all the way to the edges. We want it to be a contrast between the dark galaxy and this multicolored rainbowy galaxy. This might look like pink, purple, and 3 different whites, but these are actually 3 of our interference colors, which will show up like color once they're on the black. Okay.
Execute that vision, baby. Oh yeah, that's the interference blue. I think it'd be cool to have like different concentrations of colors depending on the side.
Yeah. How do these two look the exact same?
That's crazy.
Maybe I don't do too much of that one. Let's move on to this. That looks different too. What the heck? That's so weird.
That's really weird.
I mean, I wanted gold anyway, so like,
Yeah,
this is cool.
but it's just the gold that's showing up.
just the gold. What the?
I'm gonna start mixing up some other colors.
Maybe mix some more. Because like
Okay.
we lost our pink.
Okay, I'll mix up.
Some pink.
Yeah. As always, it looks ugly, but it'll get there.
I'm gonna try a little bit of this.
Interference red?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. I hope that this rainbow of colors doesn't just turn into like barf.
It's a real possibility. I think that's pretty good. Should we start spreading that?
The thing is, I don't want to overblend it. Ooh, that's actually looking kind of cool.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, heck yeah.
That's cool.
It's so cool. You can still see the white dots, the white stars underneath.
Oh,
You can see the layers.
yeah.
You can really see the layers.
This is so cool.
This is the coolest. You know, we keep on improving it, baby.
Yeah, this looks so good.
Oh, I think that we stop. I think that's
we
done.
stop. Wow.
Wow. This is actually like, this is our vision. This is it.
This is it. Oh my
This
gosh.
is it. This is it with the stars. And then
so
also
cool.
the stars. And then the galaxies and the nebulas.
I am
Oh.
pleasantly surprised.
Okay, let's do one little tour with the nice camera.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. That is so cool. You can see all of the layers. You can see the glitter, the white dots.
I know. Sweet. Woo. Okay, baby. I think we're good for now.
Yeah,
We'll just
yeah.
let this chair and then we'll do the next step.
Yep, I think that's the legs.
Yeah. The legs.
That is so satisfyingly perfect! The drill is moving.
How you like this clear feet?
Okay, you ready to see it in its final form?
Yes. Oh, I got a glance of it. It's so cool.
Oh my god, yes!
It looks so futuristic.
The clear
And the space.
That is really cool. But it's classy.
It's classy.
It's classy.
It's a good mixture between classy and garish.
But I wonder what the supervisor feels about this. Here she comes.
She just walked in.
She just walked in.
I'm here.
We didn't even call her over.
We didn't even call her. I just hope she gets in it. So our thought is like, it's kind of like a sink, you know, and cats like to sleep in sinks. Oh, please get in.
Wait. No. Hey, look at this.
We'll look for a treat.
Should I put a treat in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it too clear? Is it confusing her?
Maybe she doesn't realize she can stand in it. I have another idea. I'm gonna use the ultimate.
Oh.
Jimmy loves! Okay, no, you gotta come in here. Yeah, you can put your paw in there. There you go, it's in there.
No pressure.
No pressure.
We only spent a few days building this for you.
She really is puzzled by the ham enigma. Why is the ham so mysterious?
Please forgive me.
Release me.
What have we done?
I could put her fur-covered t-shirt. I apologize for what you're about to see. There's a t-shirt that Joob has claimed. She loves it. I just let it stay fur-covered.
All right, put it in.
I got ham and fur t-shirt.
You can do it, Dubai. She's learning though. She's calculating. She's like just circling and calculating.
She's like, what a weird food bowl.
It's too big. Yes.
She took her first step though.
One small step for kitty kind. Oh, and even farther.
See, this is a good spot that you should associate with many hams. It's perfectly shaped, like you. An orb. She seems to be pretty comfortable on the outside of it. Maybe we just made a really tiny catwalk with a large ham bowl in the middle. The supervisor.
She's taking a little nap. Hi, Dubai. Hi. Oh my gosh. Quietly approach.
Okay, so it's the next day. Evan 3D printed some little reinforcements for the legs.
I think that it's more sturdy.
She's getting a lot more confident, even though she's mostly, I think she thinks it's a large food bowl. You looking for snacks? This is a great view. Here, dang, we'll pause. Okay, we're gonna try some loose catnip, because then she won't try to eat it. She'll just wanna like smell it. Do you want to lay down? Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's doing it. Oh, Joob.
Oh, it worked. It worked. Look at that galaxy space cat. Oh.
Oh, can you get her little floofs from the side?
Yes.
See your beans?
It's so funny. It's so funny.
Look, you can spy on her.
Yeah. This is just what I wanted. Yeah.
Isn't that a great spot?
Yes.
Oh, you truly the void now?
Am void.
This is so funny. She's such a little lounger. Oh, double bean. Double bean. Jooby, this is my dream.
Oh, wow. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. It just took a little bit of perseverance, a little bit of patience, and even more bribing.
Well, thank you guys for joining us on this adventure.
Yes.
I'm glad it worked out in the end. And if you want to see more videos, we have a gaming channel, we have a podcast, we live stream on Twitch, we have a second channel. Maybe we should rethink how much we've got going on, but we hope to see you there.
Bye.
Bye.
Look, you can spy on her.
Yeah. A little seal.
I didn't realize the fact that she's an all black cat makes it a little bit harder to see her floofs.
Where can I buy human teeth? That's weird.
Oh, that is weird.
Wigs.
Well, that's like hair, but maybe it's the same.
Hair extensions.
Hair wigs, hair extensions.
Poop. Y'all nasty.